West Coast swing dancers. It's that time of the week. It's myself, the talented Miss Stephanie. I'm going to show you what we offered our West Coast swing class tonight. And hope you like it and use it as well. It begins from a hustle whip. So we're just going to show you the hustle whip. Hands low, hustle style, 8 counts, off the track. Make her do her coaster, put her back. Okay, that's the general move for this, but then we're going to change it up. So when you do a shirt push, however you wish to do this, leaders, when you're social dancing, you want to enter into a right to right hand hold with your partner, however you want to do it. You want to be stylish if you want, your call, but a right to right to begin with. Then from there, the count, the sequence still is the same. Now remember with the hustle whip, you pull her by and turn her, get back on the track. So, in a right to right, you're going to do the exact same thing. You're going to pull her onto your right side, pick up her left hand underneath. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So underneath. That's the key. So bring her by this way. 1, 2, 3, and 4. That leads into the fancy move. So going from this direction, you're going to see what I'm going to do. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm beginning to turn to my right. My weight's on my left foot. Stephanie's weight is on her right foot. But I'm off, almost on the rail, out of her way for the next part, because that's the key to making it work. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So she's got almost a clear view of the track. I'm raising her right hand, which is my right hand, for the big turn. So we're just going to do it, and then show you how I did it. Sugar push, 3 and 4, right to right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's a tandem turn. The big move for me to begin with that makes her go. So again, how you get into that is to 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now I'm going to step, continue to go through the track. I'm going to be off to her right, raising my right hand. I'm going to turn for 5, 6. And then that makes her turn for 7 and 8. So it's kind of hard to do really slow. 1, 2, 3, and 4. You pull her through with my left hand. So pull her through on 5, keep turning on 6, and then rotate my wrist to make her dance finishing touch. So go in this direction. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm going to pull her through on 5 and turn to my right. Then I'm going to go over her hand. Then I end up doing again a handshake hold. So front to back. I'll show you that part. So 1, 2, off the track. 5, 6, and then get back on the track as she's going through. One more time this direction. Right to right. Step through. Okay. You end up in a right to right from here. However you want to do it, you can do a little hammer lock. Switch hands back. Or you can do a walk prep and make her turn the other way. However you want to get out of it. If you want to do it again, you have the option to do it again. But it's a really cool move that a friend of mine showed me years ago. I named it after him. Hope you like it. Please remember, guys, remember to subscribe every week for a new move, for a free move that Miss Stephanie will have for you next time. Until then, have a great week. Keep dancing.